They could be just testing it. I better back up though. Yeah, that is a little like AF. Maybe it'll go off again. We'll see. You'll definitely see. You know, it went off yesterday too for about 2 minutes, but I missed it. Today I caught it. Still waiting. Back up here. I think they're just testing it. Right now it's not doing nothing, it just stopped. We'll just wait here for a few more minutes. Oh. Good way to start my day. This day's already getting to a good start already. Yes, it is a little like AS too. Just so you guys know. Waiting for it to go off again. So far it hasn't. Just waiting I'm gonna wait a couple more minutes, guys. Oh, there it is! My camera is not picking up the strobe. Stopped again.